Hey, good morning, my friends. Kidare, Paisa, Chalo. I'm just kidding. So, again, welcome back. First of all, Sana, if you like, you know what my reactions are, my opinions are, please like and share and subscribe na rin, no, to my YouTube channel, which is my friend PH. So, yun lang. So, just wanna, man, mag-share lang ulit ng thoughts kasi parang uh, may kanya-kanyang reasons, both sides, but uh, for me, kung ano man yung iisipin natin, it's kinda one-sided kasi bakit? Uh, People say that hindi daw yon yung political agenda. It is a political agenda. Why? Uh, on my own opinion, on my own humble opinion, is that um, they did find a way how and they did advise how to arrest Tati Digong, no, via Interpol. Uh, Yun ang masakit dun kasi sa press con ng gobyerno natin, no, ni Bongbong, sinasabi na they just communicated with Interpol. True, but they are the one who give the idea sa ICC kung paano ipapadaan yung warrant. So isn't that a coincidence? I've been watching yung mga yung mga rally from, not rally, but yung support for Tatay Digong, no, not only in the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and even yung yung sa Europe, sa NA. How I wish na magkaroon din, I'm willing to be part of it. I'm willing to organize kung magkakaroon lang ako ng makakasama. I'm willing to organize things. Again, this is not to rally against the government, but this is just to show our support and our love to Tatay Digong. Again, may kanya-kanya tayong paniniwala, may kanya-kanya tayong opinion. You have your own belief. We do respect that as well. This is what I stand. Free, Tatay Digong. Chalo.